Now that we know how to punch in our trades, let's get down to knowing how to ensure that our trades have actually gone through the way we ordered. For this, there is a simple tool on the National Stock Exchange website. All you need to do is go to the Verify Your Trade section and type in your username and password, and you will get a list of all the trades taken place in the last 10 days. Remember that the data for these trades is only available for the past 10 days of the last trade that you carried out. In addition to this, the National Stock Exchange will also send you email and SMS notifications like this one, confirming all your transactions. Within 24 hours of your trade, you should receive a contract note from your broker like this one. These contract notes are usually in a digital form. So make sure you have a verified email account. This is proof of your trade. You can ensure there is no variation in your trades by cross-checking here. It will have details of your broker and your Demat account, the order number of your trade, the time and date when the order was punched in, with the time when the trade actually went through, the name of the security you traded along with the quantity, and the price that you bought or sold the security at. The note will also detail the brokerage that will be charged to you along with the service tax, giving you the net amount that you are obligated to receive or pay. Always ensure that this contract note is signed by an authorized signatory. In case there is any discrepancy, or if the shares that you have bought or sold are not reflecting in your Demat account, but the money has been debited, approach your broker immediately. This has to be done within 10 days from the transaction date. In case the broker does not give you a satisfactory response, approach the investor cell of the stock exchange within 15 days from the transaction date. So here is a quick checklist of what you need to keep in mind. Make sure you receive the contract notes within 24 hours of your trade. Review the transactions in your Demat account regularly. Ensure that the securities movement in your Demat account is valid. Make sure that the funds that are being transacted are from the trading member's account only. And make sure that the payments to the broker are by account payee checks, demand draft or pay order.